Welcome folks, Flip Night here. I'm heading over to my friend Bob Fred's house because his friend Rob's in town from Kansas. We're gonna go to River's Edge. We might go grab a sandwich in a very strange sandwich shop. Don't quote me on that. See what the day leads to. So apparently there's some plumbing issues over at Brapstar Garage. Peeing in the dumpster is kind of frowned upon during the weekdays because there's a lot of people around. So some of the plans that I've had that I wanted to do around there are kind of scrapped right now. I drink a lot of water, which means I use the bathroom a lot. And coffee. Shh. Between me and you. Now I'm in this limbo of what am I gonna do until I have somewhere to do these other ideas. But don't get me wrong, I know that some of these videos look really glamorous when you see us riding around and drinking all these beers and all these brand new motorcycles. Motorcycles aren't mine. Josh pays for drinks half the time. On top of that, I'm shaking my piggy bank going, I have $7, half a tank. I can make it to one bar and one whiskey. It's all about appearances, folks. That's not actually what's happening. But when it's a Monday and you have 48 hours to film, edit, and then release a video, and you're just kind of scratching your head going, what am I gonna do? Hell if I know, folks. Luckily, Bob Fred is in town with his friend, and they went to go have a beer, which is fantastic, which gives me something to do for now until we figure out plan B, which again, is a sandwich shop, which I can never remember the name. I know it's in Ruskin. It's just a weird sandwich shop that they serve one kind of sandwich, two kinds of way. All the way or nothing. Last time I had this sandwich, I think it was like 2012. It was a great sandwich from what I remember. It's just, it's kind of far away, which makes for a great ride. But at the same time, when you're just kind of like, what am I going to talk about? I want to listen to music. I just want to zone out and just let life happen for a minute. There's just a lot of putting ducks in a basket right now, and it's overcoming a lot of the mental capacity that I have, which is very small. Like 80% of my brain partition is anger. So the 20% left over for other things, just, you know, got a small cash, can't do much about it. We're almost to Bob Fred's house. We'll see you there. So as I pulled up to Bob Fred's house, I remembered, what was the first thing he did when he came over to Brapstar Garage? I decided to pay him back. The burnout on his front yard, which he got very angry about.
Just wait until Alana sees it. Wait until Alana sees it.
She's not gonna yell at me, she's gonna yell at you.
No, she won't. Just wait.
Bob Fred's always working on his bobber. Is it fixed yet?
Almost. I mean, I'm just changing the oil.
Earl?
I'm just changing the oil.
And what about your sensor that's broken?
I got that too.
He's fixing to.
Earl?
Fixing to.
Thought of a way to fix the problem with his yard. Fixed it.
Just let the dirt shower over you.
Good thing you got gloves on already.
There you go.
See, fixed.
You can take a little grass from here. Perfect.
That's way funnier than it needs to be. Like, I'm sorry that I did it, but that made it way worth it. This guy's done fixing his Harley because Harley problems, and decided that he's too hungry to go get sandwiches. So sandwiches are a different video.
Oh no, we can go get sandwiches.
Well, I mean that sandwich.
But no, we can go get that sandwich.
You just said you didn't want to wait.
No, I'm saying if you want to go, let's go now.
No.
I'd rather not go to River's Edge. But if we can go to River's Edge, I'll get a snack. And then
You decide.
alright. Take one hand. We're going to get sandwiches.
Okay. So I shouldn't do a burnout leaving? Hold down for 5 seconds. It'll say connecting. Is it beeping? Is it doing the doot doot doot?
There we go.
There we go.
Holy fuck, you're loud.
Now we'll turn it down then.
Stop fucking yelling at me.
I don't have to yell at you because you're right in my f***ing ear. Alright folks, before we leave Bob Fed's house, let's go ahead and do one more burnout just for good measure. I love the fact that they can't hear you complaining because you're not mic'd up. He is yelling at me right now. It is amazing. I was too distracted mocking you that I wasn't paying attention. Ramming speed! Yeah, totally. Let's go sit on the railroad tracks. Sounds like a Florida thing to do. Safety in numbers. Although I'm kind of stuck. I can't like... This feels really dangerous. Well, now that you fixed your speedo, you can't tell the officer you don't know how fast you were going. I mean, you had a legitimate excuse that you literally didn't know. Don't quote me, but I swear it's at that light. I said at the light. Maybe not this light. I don't think so. There it is. Right there. And here we are, Marion's Sandwich Shop. They have one sandwich, you order it 2 different ways, with veggies, no veggies. Devin's gonna order, I think. I'll be right behind him. This looks delicious. It's been a while. I am excited. It smells amazing. Also, I want a taco. So next to Marianne's, there's a taco place, and I really can't say no to tacos. So I'm gonna go grab a quick handful of tacos as well. I'm curious. Hey gentlemen, has tacos and stuff. All right. Only has burritos, wet burritos, soft tacos, and hard tacos. So I got 2 hard tacos. I got hard tacos for each of us. They only have ground beef. Nice. I like the fact that everything around here only does one thing. It's very simple. We have mild and extra hot. Your appetizers are here. Oh, nice. Try the mild first before there's a hot. Oh, half fat $2 taco. Extra hot. Let's find out. That's a bit good. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Yeah. For a fucking $2 taco, so we'll reach their mall. I didn't find them.
Yes, that'd be awesome. And when you guys are done, there's a garbage can right outside the door.
Cool, thank you. Thank you. Sorry to throw a camera in your face about the eat, but let's watch this. The process.
Fantastic.
Well, it's enough watching you eat. My turn.
Yeah, when you sit there and record somebody's face.
One whole sub, $10. Worth it?
Absolutely.
Rob, was it sub worth it?
Absolutely.
Would you come back to Florida for that sub?
Yeah.
If it was in Arkansas, I would ride there too.
I definitely got to bring AJ here, and other people in general, but
Oh, dude, AJ would freaking love
that's what I'm saying.
This will be a stop.
AJ will love the ride as much as you would love the sub,
Exactly.
and then you won't stop talking about it. So,
Yeah.
Alfonso, we got to come here. Thank you, Marianne. All right, these three idiots are going to River's Edge finally, yes?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna grab a drink at River's Edge. We're gonna figure out, Jesus, stupid son. We're gonna figure out how to hook up Senna's because we apparently don't know how to do this. And my GoPro's dead, so I'm not filming. I don't think I'm filming. We'll see. Rob. Fine. Too late now. Rude. You want to just trade on the way back? Now I get to ride Boba Fett's 2001 garbage Dyna. Ugh. What year is it? It's that young? It's a 2014? Cool guy biker activate. Let's go. Oh God, what? Dude, change the bushings on your freaking motorcycle.
No, there's nothing wrong with them. It just shakes like that normally. The Harley.
It's not supposed to do that.
No, those bushings. Yeah.
Yes, those bushings. This is a real man's Harley. Yeah. So these ape hangers make me feel like I'm way cooler, but those T-bars are way more comfortable. But I feel like a real badass on these handlebars. And of course we gotta bring Rob to freaking River's Edge. Come on, man. Oh, River's Edge, how I love you. All right, Rob.
Yes.
Who are you?
Rob. Live in Arkansas.
Very good, thank you.
Baldy613 on Instagram and YouTube.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah. Truck driver. Former police officer.
Former police officer. So,
Get all philosophical.
what we do, we ask questions, and then we get answers. Is
I don't know. I'm just fucking.
Is it like, Rob,
I don't know what I'm doing. You know I don't know what I'm doing.
if you had $1 million, what would you do?
The correct answer, I would spend it all.
All of it. On what?
According to Sublime, it would be if I had a million.
There you go.
I would spend it all. Motorcycles and beer.
Titties and beer.
Titties and beer. Titties and motorcycles and beer.
Titties, motorcycles, and beer.
That'll work.
Sounds like what my lighter is. There. Look at my lighter.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Devin just wrote the standard. Thoughts, ideas?
It's really nice. Rode very well. Throttle response is very nice. Seating position. Seating position's awesome. The 107 is really nice. Very comparable to my 103. I still think my 103 will whoop it if I rode it and Flip didn't burn out my clutch.
It's not your clutch I'm gonna burn out, it's your engine.
Change your bushings.
Change your bushings. It rocks like that for a reason. No. The engine or the handlebar bushings. Oh yeah, no, those are screwed. But the reason I didn't was because I saw someone that put those they're aluminum.
Yeah,
inserts.
it's a billet type of thing.
Yeah, so you put the aluminum inserts in it. But when you do that, the bars will like shake really bad. With the rubber inserts,
how was that again?
Yeah, it dampens it, or it vibrates with it.
Yeah. So I tightened up his throttle cables. Rob's over here, and we're talking dealership pricing, right? So
$2 bills.
two
bills.
Well, two bills, but it's because you have the throttle and return, and that was what, $80 a piece,
80
right?
bucks. Yeah, $80 a piece.
$160.
And I think I counted. That was exactly 5 wrench turns to get this.
Well, yeah, just shy. It's like 4 1/4, so maybe a little half.
So if you do the
Little
math
half
and break it
season.
down, we're talking,
It's roughly about $20 a turn.
$20 a turn
Yeah.
to adjust
To
this
one-
much slack out of the
Yeah. This is Bob Raffet's new shop.
mobile
Yeah,
Harley Davidson
anytime,
repair
bring
and
it,
service.
bring it over. We'll fix anything. $20 a turn.
The bolt rides again. Wait for it. Look over here, Kyle. Come on, look over here. Oh, he took a stupid.
In my bag.
When'd you fix the bolt?
Sometime between Christmas and New Year's. What is time, man?
You
Only
mean-
back pain is
You mean
real.
the last 5 days that you haven't spoken to me?
Yeah.
Breaking up with you.
That's what happens when I don't talk to you.
I'll
Get
never
things done.
I'll never break up with you.
How are you, man?
Doing all right.
Did
How'd you get that?
cooking veggie burgers.
Yeah, dude. Hit, man. Is that thing cage free? No GMOs?
How are things down at the docks that you're launching?
How many Bitcoin did that cost you on Etsy?
At least $2 to $3.
I don't even know what that means in Bitcoin, man.